right. What about your father? Apart from watching news channels, does he also do to relax himself apart from sleeping anything else? Like he jumps on the bed, jumps from the bed, or maybe play with you, right? He plays with you. So what does he do? What does your father do in his spare time?
Okay. Uh, he likes to travel. He likes to travel new places.
Okay, very good point. I think up now what you do, you elaborate it. My father loves to travel. Like he usually travels Mahabaleshwar, Jogeshwari, Bhivandi, Mumbra, or like mountains, and he goes there with friends and he spends his time. Secondly, he watches some boring news channels, and thirdly, like this. Okay, please tell me, there is a one lady, one
Yes.
imaginative character. Her name is Shakuntala Devi. Tell me about her routine, morning routine only.
Okay. Um, uh, Shakuntala Devi.
Yes.
She she wakes up. She wake up at
Is it not? It is not a milkshake. You can add everything. Present and past. Wakes up, woke up, wokes up. Okay, no wake. Only woke up.
okay. She woke up at early in the morning.
Okay.
After that, she freshens up and then she cooked and
Could you repeat? I'm sorry. I think I found some mistake. Can you repeat one more time?
she woke up at
Present tense. Daily routine. Yes.
daily
Did I ask
routine.
daily routine, right? No, daily routine. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
She wake up at early in the morning. After that, she freshens up and then she cook food. After that, she get ready for her office, and then she take her breakfast. After she
Takes.
takes her breakfast, after that she goes to office, and then she come at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yes.
After that, she fresh.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Last question about your mother. Tell me about your mother little bit. Mother's name, what does she like, dislike, hobbies or something. About your mother, tell me. You can use grammar bean as well. Yes.
My mother name is Shahzad.
My mother's name
My
is
mother's name is Shahzadi Begum. She, in her free time, she like to talk with her mother,
very
and
good.
she also
Likes.
likes to spare times with her friends.
Okay.
And she also likes to cook food.
Yes. She wants to try a new recipe, right?
Yes, she also watches Master Chef, and
Master
she
Chef.
tries new dishes.
So your mother is Shehzadi and your father is Shehzada. Thanks for coming and we'll continue inshallah next time. Assalamu
Yes.
alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.